So we're going to get to work on the RX8 because, yeah, no time at the present. It is raining a bit, but I'm still going to film because, well, I can't stop myself, can I? It's just bought a car, I need to get it done. So, yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to try sort out the non-starting issue. So, we're going to take the battery off, stick that on charge because that's as flat as a witch's tit, and we need to get to the SSV, so like move the alternator and stuff, take airbox out, whatever, create some room so we can get it off, and then once that's out, we're just going to clean it off. I'm hoping that it's actually full of shit, because if it is full of shit then that just shows us that it might still be working and we can just refurb it, put it back in. The problem will be that if it isn't full of shit and it's still not turning over, then it's new part time. But yeah, let's get to it. First things first, get rid of all the shit on top. Don't need you. Right, so we'll stick this on charge. And switch that on. What does it say down here? Yeah, let's give it a good charge. Yeah, cool. So we'll remove the strut. Oh fuck off. I tell you, everything's gonna be rusty on this. Well, so it's about a week later. I've been training at college, but got the SSV out. It's absolute shag. You know what I mean? It's full of shit. So gonna give it a quick refurb and then put it back in, see if it starts, and hopefully it does. Hopefully I don't have to buy a new one, but I might have to buy a new one, we'll see. Right lads, so I spent all day on the RX8, it's just started to rain now, and we've literally just finished putting everything back on. Obviously, bumper's still hanging off and wheels are off, but we're just going to see if we can get it started. First start, it's not going to start, I know it's not going to start, but it's not the attitude to have, is it? So let's give it a go. She's running. She's running. Sounds a bit dodgy, but it's running. Oh, there we go. She's idling. Right, lads. So it's the day after I got the RX8 started, and we have a big issue. So yeah, I bought a shit one. I did buy a shit one. So yeah, it's going to need engine stripping, which I was going to do anyway to Bridgeport it, but this might be like a grand's worth of work, so it's going to be fucking expensive, man. But yeah, yesterday got it running finally after like 2 hours of trying. And then my dad came over and he was like, turn the car off, like panicking. So I turned the car off and he went, come here. And the whole floor at the bottom of the car was just covered in oil. So yeah, got an issue. So I posted on some forums, and people were saying, oh, it's your bearing on the rotor and stuff like that, and that's one why the engine was knocking its tits off, and that could be the oil leak problem as well. So it's just gonna be a rebuild, lads. So I'll show you. I'll actually show you what we're gonna do. Oh. So I've got a space at the side of my house, right? I've got a little space there. So what my dad's agreed to do is, I'm away for a week in the Lake District from tomorrow. So he's gonna get rid of the shed, and I'm actually just gonna build like a diagonal sort of roof that goes from this fence all the way up, and we're gonna make a workshop. So I'll get an engine crane off one of my mates from work, and then buy an engine stand, and then we're just going to strip the engine down there, strip it completely, and then rebuild it. So yeah, I was debating engine swapping, but I thought to myself, the reason why I bought an RX8 is because I wanted like the sort of experience you have with the rotary, and if that means putting loads of money into it, then that's what I'm going to do. It'll just take longer, but it's worth it in the end to get what you want. But yeah, so I'll update you when I get back from the Lake District regarding what is happening with the RX8, because as soon as my dad builds that, I'll get the engine out ASAP and start stripping it. But yeah, we can't really do anything modification wise. I still got one mod, which is purely like aesthetics. But yeah, I'm not going to spend any money on mods until we get the engines down. But yeah, lads, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching. This is going to be an interesting journey, this really is. So yeah, subscribe to see me build the rotary. And I'll see you next time.